Hi everyone, this video will introduce the process of the master project Sprint 1. Our team members include 3 people. It's Siyu Chen, Han Yuanyu, and Su Chenzhen. For this video, we will introduce the project description, the Sprint 1 description, and the team members' contribution. And it includes 3 roles. The management role is me, and the analysis and the UI design is for Su Chen, and the functional design and the environment setup is for Hong Yuan. For this project, we create a mobile-based application that the admin can use the class timetable schedule system. It includes 3 users. The first one is the admin, and second one is the tutor, and the last one is the students. And also, we will add the notification function for the users to check the class schedule and the cancellation. For this part is the Sprint 1 backlog. And first one is about the analysis. It includes the scope financed and the define project scope and communicate with the clients and get the user requirements and the requirements financed and the kickoff meeting. For the next part is for the design. It includes page design, login, logout, user design, and the timetable function design and the notification design. And also have the design evaluation. For the last part is about the environment setup. For the building environment setup and the product environment and the database setup. Next part is about the Gantt chart. From this Gantt chart, we can see the actual time for different steps. The first one is about the analysis. It's from the 15th July to 22nd July. And the second part is the design is from the 22nd July to the 9th August. And the last one is the environment setup is from the 10th August to the 23rd August. As this Gantt chart, we can see the different square is for the different task, and this gray bar is for the process of the different parts. And as we can see, this one is only have the half bars, so we didn't finish the Sprint 1, and we will finish this part in the Sprint 2. For the management role, it's my part, and I need to communicate with the clients. As we can see, the client has a lot of the requirements for the app, and they also would like to, the app can actually run some functions. So I need to communicate with the clients to get what they want and communicate with my team members to set up the different tasks. And also, I need to assign tasks with my team members. And for the time control and the management, as the team leader, I need to control the process and the time and management the different tasks. Also, kick work with the clients and team members. For the final plan, we need to kick off with the clients to make sure the plan is actual work, and also communicate with my team members to decide the final plans.
Hi, my part is Analyze and UX Design, and I'm responsible for the user requirement analyze and UX design. And because the user is a person who can access the timetable system and they can select from list, and also they can edit and also delete the list from the items, so including the teacher and students. For the admin, we analyzed that they are the person who responsible for managing the timetable and sending the notification to the users. We also created the to-do list to set up the estimation and priority for our user story. During the design process, we send the different versions of design framework to our clients, and they give us the feedback quickly. And also, we use the different UX design tools, such as the framework and Adobe Illustrator, and we also use Photoshop to make the layout and also our features. Here is the feature and layout for our login and the main page. We can see on the left hand side, here is our login design page, we can see we can have the username and the passport place then the user can put in their information, and also we can always change the layout based on the user's requirements. After that, when we look at right hand side of the page, we can see here is our man page design, and the users such as admin and tutors, they can always upload their photos on the top. Then we can see here is 4 functions. We can create the timetable, we can edit the timetable. Also on the bottom, we can managing the user, and also we can make the setting. So here is all the design, but we also made some problems from the user requirements, such as they want to change the layout based on their preference. So we have to communicate with them. Maybe when we have the next meeting, then we will change that in our Sprint 2. Now, Hangyuan will introduce the function and non-function design part.
Hi, I will talking about my part. My tasks are function and non-function design and the environment setup. In the part of function design, I based on the analysis in front of the design part to design different functions for different users. For example, the students can only read their timetables, but the teachers can support their availability and show their timetable. For the non-function design part, we try to make it high scalability and maintainability. High scalability can support the further development for the software, like gather more functions. The non-functions are very important in software development, so it's very we focus so many things in it. And then we're talking about the environment setup. There are so many problems happens. At first, the first problem is the choosing a knowledge development platform. At first, we plan to use the Eclipse, but we found it doesn't work because of the US Eclipse doesn't support the SDK for Android. So we changed to the Android Studio later, but another problem happened. The Android visual device still have some problems, even we used every solution which searched from the internet. And because of it, we can't finish the environment setup. In order to solve it, we plan to change a device for developing in the Sprint 2 so that we can do the next work. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.